lock up on your phone the pound key.
YouTube. What's up?
Eh?
See, you're the boy here, man.
Yeah, man, look at star sign.
Money Mike.
On the dash, man. Come on, right on the
Yes,
dash.
I'm here trying to do some work on the bad girl here. Yeah, we're changing some gasket, the manifold gasket, the turbo gasket. Yeah, the leak, yeah, exhaust leak thing where it was making too much noise. So I got my guy here, my mechanic, working on it for me. Yeah, so
look for they started. But did it allow him to hook up to it though?
So just here waiting on it to finish up, you know what I mean? So I could hit back the road, try to make some money, you know, the bills gotta be paid. Yeah, but for sure, man, the trucking game ain't no joke. My advice, if you can get a new equipment, that would be better. You get what I'm saying? Like, you know, less maintenance, less downtime. You know what I mean? Yes, you'll be paying more money, but I think it's more easier if you can get the new equipment. If not, you know, you just have to get one of these, you know, this old girl. Work it till they can buy something new, you know, for sure. But I'm out here trying to do my thing, try to get the thing going, you know. So I'm gonna be hitting the road maybe like tomorrow, trying to get a load tomorrow. You know, I don't think I want to go too far as yet, but tomorrow I'll be doing a load with it once it's finished today, and we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, it's a lot in the game that you need to know, need to learn, all of that, you know. Sun is getting hot. Yeah, but you can work. Can cover your bills and stuff like that, but to make the real deal money, I think you gotta go semi. Yeah, you gotta go semi. So get your CDL if you don't got one, because I'm gonna get mine. No. Yeah, so yeah, the big guys. That's the real deal. But you could make good money too in a box truck, for sure. I'm gonna test the theory full force. I'm gonna go out there for like a month and see how much I can generate. You know? The Florida market is a bit saturated in terms of, you know, you have a lot of trucks down here and not much loads. You get what I'm saying? So especially if you're a new authority, it's gonna be real difficult for you to get in the game. I've been trying to get in the game down here for a while now, from I got my authority, you know what I mean, a couple months now. But you know, the brokers, they require 90 days and up, you know, in terms of your authority. You have to be active, your MC have to be active for more than 90 days. So yeah, that's a bit annoying, but I guess you just have to wait your turn. Alright, so if you're gonna get in the game, try to do your insurance ahead of time so it can kick in by time you're ready to get some loads. Alright, so that's just one of the annoying part about it. But the money is out there to be made, man, for sure. Once you put in the work, you know, I believe the Lord will bless you. Alright, so I'm gonna put in the work, man, and see what it goes. Alright guys, so I'm just waiting on the machine to finish up, and then I'm gonna test it out, do a load tomorrow, and we'll start hitting some new videos from there again. Alright, so God bless, one love. Keep the unity, keep the strength, keep the love flowing. Alright, one love, I'm out. Give thanks daily.